evening before opener, we're out here just doing a little scouting, driving around, trying to get some good vantage points. It's going to be a really, really good morning. We have probably eyes on 30, 40 deer. We really can't tell bucks too much, but we actually just had one right over here coming up probably 300-400 yards away. But we're really glassing long distance. You know, we're at least a mile, if not a mile and a half from a lot of these deer. Don't want to spook them, don't want to get them on edge or anything like that. Looking forward to it, and we'll keep glassing, and hopefully we'll put some eyes on some good deer this evening.
A tree up on the hill, and days go by on your windowsill, and you're standing in its shade. Raise your children tall and proud, chase away the lightning clouds until you finally get old and gray. We all fade away.
One, two, three deer over there. See that one right there? God, why can't he just be a little bit wider? It's a buck. It's a long way away though. That little road that goes up to that North Wheat Field to the east of it. There's a buck looking away from us. He's got like 300 yards before he's off the property, so still quite a ways that he can walk. He didn't cross the road at all. I bet he's in that gulch. There's a big gulch that runs to the north right there. He probably went up and over. So we were up there glassing on the knob over here, and I actually saw a pretty nice buck up here, so we drove around. We got in a good spot to be down the window and try to sneak up on him and see what happens. So we're only about 500 yards away, so we just got to get up a little bit closer and get eyes on him. Oh my gosh. So, big cubby grouse just busted right by us. That's what no, so we blasted him from over a mile away. We crawled up here, walked up here, crawled. We got up here, and there's actually two really nice bucks, and I could not figure out which one was the better one. Both great deer, so waited for a broadside shot. He was rutting a doe really, really hard, but I made a great shot, dropped him in his tracks. Just can't be more thankful. Beautiful morning. I don't know, can't wait to get eyes on him, get some hands on him, and really get a good look at him. So pretty excited. Pack up our stuff here and get out there. Yeah. Little split rail time.
Yeah.
Not a monster by any means, but God, he would have had a dropper next year.
Yep. Nice buck though.
Well, we got it done. We, like I said just a little bit ago, we had made a good shot on this guy. He was right at 425 yards. Dialed the scope up and yeah, dropped in his tracks. It's real nice. It's actually a 6x4. He's got a bladed brow tine here. He's got split here. He's got his fifth out here. Unfortunately, he could have left him go for a year and he probably would have had a drop tine. So, but overall, great buck. Made a quick but fun stalk on him, and yeah, pretty thankful for this. We're gonna get him quartered out in the truck and in the coolers. So, yeah.